For 31 years, people of faith have gathered together to share God's rich blessings with one another through the Festival of Sharing. In Sedalia, over 500 youth and hundreds of adults participated in this amazing day of mission service and outreach. They unloaded thousands of pounds of potatoes for distribution to food pantries. From 2-ton bags of beans and rice, they bagged smaller portions for family use. Thousands of boxes of gifts prepared by local congregations were unloaded and processed throughout the morning. Backpacks of love were lovingly prepared to make the transition of children to foster homes easier during times of family crisis. 5,600 school kits were prepared for use throughout the world for children to be able to attend school. Many other Church World Service kits were processed, boxed, labeled, and taped for distribution during times of natural disasters and other crisis situations. Prison packs were prepared to communicate to women who are incarcerated that there are people out there who care and that they are not forgotten. All activity halted for the worship service and the dedication of gifts. Worship was followed by the quilt auction, which raised over $30,000 for Church World Service blankets and tools of hope. To feed the thousands of people who attend the Festival of Sharing, congregations sign up to cook for the food court, with all proceeds going to the Festival of Sharing. The most requested gift pack for the last few years has been the family food box. Because of this year's theme and emphasis on feeding the hungry, the amount of donated family food boxes doubled to 2,034 as compared to 1,049 last year. In the afternoon, after all of the gifts for Missouri recipients had been processed, over 90 agencies lined up with their trucks, pickups, and vans and snaked through the fairground to receive their allotment in order for the gifts to be distributed by them to those in need throughout the state. The Festival of Sharing is truly an amazing event that enables people in their own local congregations to be engaged in mission service and outreach in order to give the love of God and a hope for the future to countless people in need in Missouri and throughout the world.